Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're going to be basically replacing the doors on the $275 Sebring. Yeah, Sebring. And I grabbed the back door, didn't grab the front one yet. The place that had them both sold the front one, so I got the back one for sure. Basically, I got my tools together, and we're about to go ahead and start disassembling this door. As far as taking it off, and then we're gonna put it on. Now, usually I like to take shortcuts. I like to go on YouTube, find out how to do certain projects, just to make my job quicker, so I ain't gotta go trying to find out what size tools I need. But for this one, just pretty much look at it, and you can figure out how to take it apart yourself. But I pretty much tell you guys what size this is what, because like I said, this isn't on YouTube if I haven't said it, but this particular job isn't on YouTube, so I just go ahead and figure out how to do it myself and just come back to y'all with the information. But show you guys what we got real fast. So right now I'm going to be taking these two bolts out. Well, these two little studs, they should be T30 torques to take those out. Then this is the wiring harness running from the car to the door. So I should be able to just pull this rubber back with a flat head, take that plug off, show you guys the actual screws we'll be taking out. We'll be taking these out. These are going to either 13s or 15s. It's those two down here, then the two up top. So we're going to take those out, and that actually drop the door down. So yeah, guys, going to go ahead and get started on it, taking this door off and putting a new one on. Get back to y'all as soon as I get this but as soon as I get ready to pop this door off, I'll get back to y'all, show you the progress. Alright guys, got the door off. About 2-3 minutes later. That's the old door. Just the new door. Well, used door. Came off pretty fast because I was using, of course, my earthquake ratchet, so it didn't take long to come off. The longest part is getting this damn plug out. Once you figure out how to get it out, you'll know it's pretty easy, not hard to get out. But all right, guys, that's about to go ahead and put this door back on. I'll show you guys once I get it on. All right, guys, got the door on there. Fitted the best as possible. I actually needed another person to hold it in place while I put it on there, but it actually went on there. Like I said, those are T30s, and these are 13s. Show you that it does close. Close pretty easy too. Yeah. See if the window works. I haven't tried that yet, so we're gonna see together if the window works. Let's see. Yeah. I see they already tried it at the scrapyard to see did it work. I see the dust is already out of place. But this is a way better door. Let me see if I can close it from here. Oh yeah, close pretty easy. So yeah, guys, can't complain. Went from that to that, so can't complain. And it does matches. It's just the way the sun is hitting it. And it does matches. It's the same color, silver. Just the door panel is a different color, but the door does matches. It might be like a little slight shade off, but it's silver. Like, it's just, I don't know, maybe it was sitting in the sun. It did come off the older one. The door did come off an older car, so that could have a play in why that cover is just a shade off. But it does matches the front pretty well, so can't complain. The only other thing I'm probably about to do is swap this door panel out. I'm not sure. I don't feel like doing it. I might just throw that in the trunk off the old door and let the next person deal with it. But if I feel like taking it off and putting it on, I will. If not, I ain't gonna worry about it. I might even throw this door in the trunk. That's what I might do. See if this door fitting in the trunk. But alright guys, next we're gonna take it to get emissions, and then turn the camera around. Yeah guys, like I was saying, we're gonna our next step, take it to get emissions, and so we can have our inspection done, so we can go ahead and take it to the DMV, get an inspection, and apply for the rebuild title on it, you know, if it passes the test. So I'll probably do that tomorrow, but I'll leave it. This gonna be one whole video, me going to get the emissions, then going to I'm gonna schedule my inspection, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me while I'm getting the inspection and see if it passes. If not, I'll fix whatever else they want me to fix. I mean, yeah, I'll fix whatever they want me to fix, and then yeah, get the rebuild title on it, post it up for sale. So get back to y'all in a second. So what's going on, guys? Right now I'm just leaving the emission place. I'm sitting at the third-party DMV right now. I went in there and already grabbed my ticket number, because it is kind of crowded in there. So I came back out here to sit in the car. Depends on how long they take to get to my number. I'll see if I'm gonna do it today or come back another day, because I hate waiting, you know, in these long lines. I like to get up and get out early and do it. Right now it's probably like 4 something, somewhere around there. So it's later in the day, everybody got time to get off work. So of course, you know, all the places are starting to get crowded. So I like to get out early in the morning, so that way I won't be waiting too long. So I might just wait till tomorrow and come back up here and just get. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing right now is just a salvage title. I'm gonna sell this car just with a salvage title, because with everything going on right now, it's taking too long to schedule an appointment for the vehicle inspection. So I'll let someone else deal with that. I put the door on, the car is running and driving decent. So I'll just, you know, just do the salvage title, and then I'll sell it like that, and I'll let the buyer deal with as far as getting it inspected, because right now from the locations in my area, it's going to be next month to when I'm able to get the vehicle inspected, and I'm not trying to wait that long. So I'll just go ahead and do a salvage title, sell it like that. The buyer can deal with the salvage title and getting it inspected. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna show y'all the paper for the emissions. All right, guys, here's the paper for the emissions. Basically, it passed, as you see. Passed. So basically, this is what you'll get. Well, here in Arizona, you'll get a piece of paper like this stating that you passed emissions and all this good stuff. Yep, that's pretty much it, man. But this is a different day, y'all. Still running good. I'm actually making this video because I'm ending a video like this because I posted the car for sale late last night. I got a bunch of hits on it late last night, so we're just going to let it go as is. Like I said previously in the video, it has a salvage title. I haven't did the inspection on it yet, so the buyer can do the inspection on it. It's not a big deal here in Arizona, so the inspection won't be hard for them to get. So I know all the lights and stuff is working. So I know that's one thing they want to make sure working. But yeah, man, other than that, this was basically, it was quick for y'all, but this was it took long for me because I did have to stop messing with the Sebring because I do have other things going on, like far as vehicles. I haven't made videos on those yet. I've been real busy, man. So I didn't make the videos on those yet, but I am going to make the videos on those because I think you guys will like them, man. I'm not doing the work on the ones I'm going to show you. I'm gonna do the work on one for sure. It's 2 doors and a fender, all on one side. I'm gonna do the work on those, and I'm gonna try to do the video on that. But as it stands right now, man, these cars are moving, so it's hard for me to video each and every one because like they're moving like that. So I'm gonna try to do as much as possible. I don't have a camera, like most YouTubers do. I'm just recording off my phone, and it's hard to record off my phone when it's steady ringing. So that's why I'm just going ahead and buy like a $300-400 camera, and just it's easy for me to pull the camera out and record like that and not get interrupted. Because I did record videos, it's just it got interrupted, with the phone calling and all that. So I'm like, whatever. But I will be. Why I'm probably going to try to put a clip of the car pulling off in this video, after I'm done with the sale or whatever. I have a couple people trying to come today, but today is auction day. So, of course, I'm bidding online. So I don't want me selling this car to interfere with me bidding online. So if I don't get time for the people to come today, I'll just, have them come tomorrow, check it out. Somebody's going to buy it because the price point is at, it's a real cheap car. And I'm definitely looking out for the buyer because I'm not trying to, make money on it. I just wanted to get it going because it's sitting right now, and I don't have this one at the lot where the rest of my cars are. So I have this one at my apartment building, and I don't feel like driving this to my lot, having my, girl follow me down there as well and then bring her back because the lot is like probably 25-30 minutes from my house. So I don't feel like doing all the driving right now. So I just rather, have somebody come to my place, buy it from here, and they go on by their way. So I'm actually about to go and get my title notarized so the buyer can be good to go when they come buy it. So I'll show you. That's what I'll do. I'll show you guys the title once I get it notarized, so you guys can see, what it looks like, when you get it notarized in Arizona. I go to UPS to get mine notarized. They do have the mobile notary services here. I just go to UPS. It's just not even a mile away from my crib, and $10 I got my title notarized. So I'm about to go grab the title out the mail because I do got the Inform delivery app on my phone, so it's telling me my title should be here in the mail. So actually I'm about to go check the mail, and then if it's there, we're gonna run up to the UPS and get it notarized, and go from there, guys. See you guys in a second. All right, guys, what's going on? This is a different day, same video. Basically, the Sebring did sell. I didn't get the video of it pulling off. I was too busy, doing the sale, and I had stuff I had in the car that I had to move to a different vehicle, so I wasn't able to, video me selling the car. But basically, that process with the, with what's going on in the world right now, it definitely took longer than what it should have. I definitely shouldn't have took as long as it did to sell that car. Basically, the DMV was backed up. I hate waiting at the DMV. You can only do like basically appointments at the main branches, but the third parties you can walk in, and those are always busy. So that process took longer than what I would like. But once I got the title, it sold basically the same day almost. Like I said, the day I got the title, I was busy. It was auction day. So I did end up posting it, and then the following day, like I said, the following day I ended up selling it. A guy came out, test drove it, liked it. It was a cheap vehicle, so he ended up grabbing it. But yeah, guys, man, thanks for tuning into this video. I'm sorry this video was all over the place. I didn't intend for it to be all over the place. I do have more content coming. I have more vehicles. Today is auction day again. Every day in the car business, is auction day, man. Today is auction day. I've been today, yeah, yeah. The car business is busy, man. Y'all gotta understand, it's busy. And then on top of it, trying to do YouTube, man, it is real busy, man. So I'm sorry this video was everywhere. I am going to do more, better, as far as the video quality and me just recording things. I'm trying my best to do better at that. So yeah, man. So far I have a 2007 Toyota Yaris. The Toyota Yaris, I'm getting front end work done to that, as far as bumper, light, some major. I mean, some minor. That's a notification for the auction right there. See, this is why I hate recording my phone, y'all. But what else I have? I have a crosstour. I'm gonna insert a clip of the crosstour in here as well. And that's about it, guys. Man, I'm about to get up off here, I am on this busy expressway. So till my next video, man. See y'all soon. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If these videos are helpful, drop comments. Let me know what I could do better, or the questions you guys might have, man. So thanks for tuning in. See you guys later. Bye. So what's up, guys? It's a 2012 crosstour. Honda Accord. This is one of my IAA purchases.